everyone, thanks for the time given to me. My full name is Sadiana Purat Elogani, you can call me Diana. Future plans. Future planning is an effort to make long-term plans or strategies in order to achieve to the series or life goals you have aspired to. This future plan is intended so that our life in the future will be better than now. Everyone must have and plan for the future if they want to be successful. As someone who is still is to plan for the future it is a very important thing to set goals and how to activate them.